What comes with the Vivax-Metrotech VM-540 Sonde Locator? Hi, my name is Royce Kemp with In-Depth Utility Solutions, and in this video we're going to go over what comes with the VM-540 Sonde Locator. Here we have the VM-540 Sonde Locator. Now when you purchase the VM-540 Sonde Locator, you're going to get this nice padded soft bag with the shoulder strap, the VM-540 receiver, 2 AA alkaline batteries with the battery holder, a USB cable to manage the software of the receiver, and a user guide. This is what you receive when you purchase a VM-540 Sonde Locator.